So I've been real happy with this stove, and it's like 16 years old, I think. A little while back, the membrane part, the 789 and a couple of other keys wouldn't function, so we had to replace this top, this pad area, and it's this entire face. And unfortunately, they have to get a used one because new ones either don't exist or are astronomically expensive. I mean, literally, I could get a whole other stove for less money than they want for this piece. But we got a used one, and it was pretty decent. Now, this control module, which looks like this inside, has decided that it doesn't necessarily want to turn off. So you'll be using it, you'll go to turn it off, and it'll stick on high. And apparently that's something that happens sometimes with these. I got a used one of those, and I'm hoping it's going to be good and functional. It's about $100. Yeah, got it off eBay, a genuine part. And it's virtually the same as this one, just ever so slightly newer. Same version and everything, but it's a revision E, and this original one was revision C. No, D. Yeah, I found a C and an E online. I went for the E, and this one's a D. So, fingers crossed, hopefully it works. First, go turn off the power, because we're sissies. And I had to turn off the power and disconnect the wires in this when it's failed to turn off before. And then we've just left the knob off after reconnecting things, so that way we wouldn't accidentally use that one. So now, we'll go turn the power off. Loosen this, so there's, I need to take this one off because it's going to allow this off. On the other end, I don't need to take that piece off, but I do need to take these other 3 screws on both ends to get this metal plate up so we can get to the piece behind there. Okay. Now, I need to take that screw off so I can take this piece off. All right, and there's the little module that I'm replacing with this one. Fingers crossed. Just switch over the wiring. Okay, now the power ones. So same order, a brown, red, and then black. Now, just put it all back together. all these screws back in. And the 3 on the other side. And the little silicone piece back in there. And that sets right in that groove. Okay, and then as they say, it works 100% of the time, 50% of the time. Let's check it. See if it gets all, well, the red and glowy is not a problem. The question is the turning offy part. Okay, ooh, it went off. Let's try this direction. Okay, yep, the whole thing's getting all red and glowy and off. But again, the other one, yeah, the other one, when it would fail, it would be really bad because it wouldn't turn off and you have to go hit the breaker. Then it might not have a problem for days, weeks, months. I'm gonna see if I can replace this one component later because I'm pretty sure it's this and not the relays. That's my guess, is it's this. If I can find them at a decent price, I'll try them. Otherwise, I won't. For now, it worked.